guys, as the title says, today I'll be reading Listen to My Trumpet by Mo Willems. Yes, this is the same day. I'm still sick, but I'll try to keep my voice good as usual, okay? Listen to My Trumpet by Mo Willems. Listen to My Trumpet by Mo Willems. Once again, Gerald. Sit, and don't move. I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Yes, please. Here I go. Blurk. Wait, that was not right. Not right at all. Blap, flip, frip, brip, brip. That is better. Better. Trunk. Clack, grelp. Yikes. Drump. That's not music. Grick. Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. Spack, drack, twack, scack, prack, glack, and now the big finish. Oh no. Blark, blap, zap, blap, blonk, grark, glark, quark, slark, smark. Finished? Finished. So, what did you think of my trumpet? Your trumpet is, yes, go on. Your trumpet is loud, and the trumpet is shiny, and you hold your trumpet very well, and I'm waiting. Piggy, you are my friend, and I am your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud, shiny, you hold it well, but ... That was not music. Sorry. Gerald, do you think I am trying to make music? I am trying to speak elephant. I want to sound just like you. Oh, but Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you. Yay! Okay, try more ick in your grick. Grick. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have an amazing day.